think about it. I'm just basically opening, hopefully, vistas for you, which changed my life. And when I learned that, and then I started now personally walking into, so who does God want me to be? Where do I come from? Which parts of me am I ashamed of? And I hide from people, and I don't want them to see. And I shouldn't be ashamed of it because that's just how it is. And that's how God arranged things. And I can totally own it and spin it and make it part of my story. Then you now start addressing the complexes that you might have. Maybe you're ashamed of your background, where you grew up. You're ashamed of the schools you went to. You're ashamed of your looks. You're ashamed of so many things, which really you have no reason to be ashamed of because you're comparing it to a false standard that's been presented to you. So you need to look at the real standard, which is the image God created you in, the perfect self person that He wants you to walk into. That's the one you should compare yourself against. And you're always on a journey towards it. And everything you've ever done helps you on that journey, and you should totally own it, embrace it, and be comfortable in your skin. And if you do that, you will shed off those complexes, identify them, write them down. I am ashamed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me deal with it, face it head on. Re-identify. Find a new direction where this is part of my story, not something I'm ashamed of. Own it, love it, admire it, love yourself. Once you love yourself, you know how to love others. You can't give them nothing, you have to give them something. And that best thing you can give them is your best possible self. And then you have to have a way of receiving the opposite gift and nurturing it and making it grow. And the secret of happiness is right there. You try it out. People ask me, because I'm in the psychology of meaning, what is the secret of happiness? Do you have like a silver bullet, like a one-line answer? I say, man, it's more complex than that. But if you force me to choose, I'll just say, give yourself to others and you'll be happy. Make a difference in somebody's life and you'll be happy. For a moment, hit pause on all the problems you think, and maybe you do have, which are worrying you, depressing you, and think about someone you could help. Just forget yourself just for a tiny little while, focus on somebody else, sort their issue, like really truly sort their issue. See how happy they are, and you'll see how happy you become, and suddenly you've forgotten your problems. That is the secret of happiness, giving yourself to others, giving your person to others, and accepting the gift of the person of others. Enjoy the journey. You're in for a treat. Thank you very much.